And job of the day on this enclosed trailer. I've got the passenger side lifted up, or driver side lifted up rather. Everything's free spinning. I'll take that down, do bearings, check his brakes, check his lights, do a whole inspection on it. He needed me to do the rear cables on this, but I opened the back door and there's no room for me to work. So I'll let him know that. It needs to move some of that stuff so I can stand inside. There's just a bunch of boxes and it's full of stuff, so I'm not able to get in there and work the way I need to. Yeah, it's working some. It says the right turn's not hooked up. What about marker lights? That marker light's on. That marker light's on. It's not on. That's on. Left turn. Left turn's good. Right turn. Okay, I'll tear this down, see if that's working. Marker lights are still good. Good. And front. Front is on. Wow, that's impressive. Let's see if the brakes are working. Electric brakes. No. Front is working. Rear is not working. Rear just has a wire that's broken off, but I can't fix it. Maybe I can. I think I can fix it. All I gotta do is get a butt connector on it. It's broken on the backside. That's what I want. And I was able to get a butt connector in there. Works now. Let's get the hub on. No black widows. Good. Let's clean washers. Washers clean. Washers on. Tang washer. Tang washer's on. Castle nut. Castle nut on. Tight. Good. Back off. Installation. Free spinning. Bend over tang washer. Now let's check brakes. Brakes are on. Locked up. Front. Locked up. Brakes are off. Free spinning on the rear. Free spinning on the front. Cool. Brakes work. Let's do dust cap on driver's side rear. Good. Tang washer is bent on the front driver's side. On and good. Brakes on this side work. I just had to put a butt connector and it works now. Rear driver's side is on. Front driver's side is going on. And free spinning. Brakes on. Brakes off. Free spinning. Perfect. And seals going on for passenger side. Good. Grease is in. And grease is in. Good. Outer bearing packed and in. And outer bearing packed and in. These brakes are great. Everything's cleaned off. Magnets are good. Putting the hubs on. Washer's on. Tang washer is on. Castle nut is on. Hand tight. Back off one constellation. Bend over tang washer. Tang washer is bent. Free spinning. Passenger side dust cap. Front. Going on. Oh, rear is going on. Rear is on. Access. Clean washer. Clean tang washer. Castle nut. Tight. Hand tight. Back off one we'll go tight. Back off one constellation. Good. Crackers. I'm gonna do it that one. Good. Perfect. Dust cap. Dust cap is on. Take these gloves off. Check brakes. Brakes are on. Locked up. Brakes are off. Free spinning. Free spinning. Brakes are on. Locked up. Brakes are off. Free spinning. Perfect. Brakes are good on this side. New bearings, new seals, new grease. I'm gonna put tires on and then see what's going on with the right turn. That's the one that's blinking on me and not working. I can see this light. The filaments are falling out of the actual light itself. So needs a new light for the back. That's why nothing was working. Plug it back in, order some LEDs for them. Come back and install them. We know he needs a new housing for that. Every other light works, brakes work. And we'll drop it on the ground, and then we'll torque lug nuts. And torquing passenger side. Front passenger done. Rear passenger done. That's why we torque them. Driver side torquing. Driver side done. And driver side front done. I'll do the rundown on this. New bearings and seals, new grease. I rewired his back driver side backing plate. Just had a wire that was loose. I tightened up the wiring so it's not hanging down in the bottom. All lug nuts are torqued. Lights work except for the right passenger side, or the passenger side rear needs a new 6-inch oval light. So I order one in for him. Swing back up, put that on. All brakes work, and I do need to do cables, but I cannot get to it. There's not enough room for me to work to get cables on that. So I'll let him know that, have him clean it out. I'll get the cables on. I think that's it. The 7-way plug is fine, so I didn't need to change that out. And this one's done. I'm on to the next.